Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'm going to unpackage or unbox and review a case I got for my shiny new Redmi Pad 2 Pro by Xiaomi. So it's obviously a tablet computer and I want to be able to use it on the go without risking the screen being smashed and my heart being broken. So first things first, I'm going to take it out of its plastic bag it gets delivered in from Amazon and take out what seems to be here essentially styrofoam fill to keep it safe. And we get the first clue of what this tablet case is like on the inside. And so you'll see it says 360. Yes, this is a 360 degree spinning setup for this tablet, which allows it to spin round and you can adjust it to your heart's content. The idea here is that you can more easily use this tablet in portrait mode if you're someone who likes Tech Travel Geeks shorts videos and wants to watch them in portrait mode. But if you want to watch our long form stuff, you can put it into landscape mode. So turn it 90 degrees and you've got a nice little portrait mode tablet stand. Turn it another 90 degrees back and you have your landscape mode. So this is all very well, looks nice. It's nice and sturdy. Little detail here, it's got a cutout for a stylus. I don't have one for this tablet yet, but I did get one for the Honor Magic Pad 2 Pro, so I'll need to test and see if that works. And this is it in black. It also is available in grey and blue. And there is a bit of prep involved. You need to peel off the protective film on the case itself. So obviously for the manufacturing process, they've put a bit of plastic on the transparent panels of the device, of the case. So I'm going to pull that off. There we go. Satisfactory peeling. So this will make it even lighter. So that's the inner side taken off. And the outer side, which I will need to do in a bit more structured manner. That's just a sticker on top of it, but there should be protective film on this corner that I can get. Yes, there is. Here we go. Yes, got it. Here we go. So I'll need to spin that sideways, get it to come off. And the other part, it is a bit of a tedious job, but as I said, like taking any screen protector or plastic cover off, very, very satisfactory. You can obviously leave that on, it will get a bit mucky and potentially unpleasant. You can see that it's only partially coming off underneath. There we go. Oh, it is actually. Whoops! Apologies for those of you watching live, it is quite unpleasant to get the plastic off. And you need to use a little bit of force. There we go, almost there. There, got it. So that should be all the protective film off the tablet case. Apologies to those who were shocked by that. But it's done now. And now I can take my shiny Redmi Pad 2 Pro and slot it into the tablet case. So I've got the camera facing down, it's slotting in and click. Great. So that's in place. This is the tablet case. So I think it's the wrong way around at the moment. Yes. There we go. So once it's put in place nicely, you can see the Redmi Pad 2 Pro fits in nicely. Got a nice cutout for the camera module, which fits perfectly. Cutouts at the top for the microphones. Let's just check that the power button cutout works. Yes, no problems there. Now, interestingly, so at the top here, you will just be able to see you have a cutout for the power button, as well as cutouts for the speakers. But on the top side, you have extensions to the volume rocker rather than cutouts for it. And then more microphone cutouts at the top. So 1, 2 there. And then on the other side, you have a cutout for, in this case, the 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C and speakers. So all as expected. Nothing at the bottom because there's nothing there to do cutouts for. But in terms of holding the tablet in landscape, it works very well for me. I'm happy with that. Let's try spinning it down round into portrait. And yes, that's great. So when it's in portrait mode, you have the volume rocker, just move this along, at the top right, as well as the power button there. So that's great for watching your standard portrait mode video. And if you want to watch landscape video, you can easily do so. There are ribs in here, there is ribbing in the case, 3 different rows here for you to angle your tablet at different angles, which is good. And I'd say it fits nicely, it holds nicely, and it's not magnetically clamped. I would have liked to have seen that. But I think that for $9.99, and the fact that you have the facility to spin it round, I think this is a good buy. Obviously, I purchased this with my own pocket money. If you do purchase your Redmi Pad 2 Pro case from Amazon using the link I provided, you will be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. Another way you could support us is obviously leave us a like or subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And as usual, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more about this case, which is from a super famous brand, which is, let me double check, because I had some pronunciation issues with it. There we go, it's loaded. So the name of the brand is idudao from Amazon. Ultimately, it's one of those brands which is pretty unknown here in the West. It is a third-party case for the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. So yeah, if you purchase from there, you'll be supporting us. But if you have any questions, leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. So again, if I haven't said it already, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.